And here we go. This place is awesome.
So now we're on the boat. We're going to the sandbars out there by the island. The best flat water spot you can ever imagine. It's a 3-kilometer long sandbar and the wind is totally offshore.
We have all the snacks and drinks. And we are ready for an amazing day at the sandbanks. We literally made it to a paradise. Look at that, guys. Woo! Let's go!
Maybe.
We just made it on a little sandbank, and here you can see, not sure if you can see, but there's like a bunch of sandbanks. You can ride between them, you can jump over them, so I'm super excited to try this out.
So this is the prime spot we have to offer here in Punta Chame. The sandbars come out in low tide, which depends a lot on the moon, and the good thing is the wind is completely offshore, which gives you about 3 kilometers of just straight downwind riding on flat water.
More passion, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy.
I love being excited. Heel dunk! And here we go. This place is awesome. I just want to jump over those sandbanks. That is like, yeah, that's the best thing to do. Just jump over people and things. Come on. I'm just gonna jump over all of them. This is so cool. Come on, this is so cool. Let's go. Why didn't we bring beer?
Well, because the idea was not to have a picnic.
Picnic time! Woo! We forget the beers, but it's a picnic time with our kite.
We're gonna make the way back. Okay, so we've been playing around for an hour and a half now. The tide's coming back up. So it's time for us to go home. We'll cross through one of the channels and then downwind to Panama Kite Center.
We are back at the center. We have decided to do a little downwinder from the dunes, which is only half an hour with a kite. So it was a super nice trip. We are back at the center, and yeah, it was a good day.